Hey guys, it's video number 10 of the World of Wood Carvers. Wow, it's kind of unbelievable actually. I never thought that would make it to video number 2, but it's only been a week since I did the last video, I think. But I'm getting loads of pictures. You guys, it's best if you email them to me because then I can save them properly, right? I don't have to crop them out and stuff like that. And so 10,000 subs. Wow. I remember April, May. In May I said to my son, I said, I'll be happy if I get 1,000 subs. Well, now I got 10,000. It's kind of crazy how things work, but you know, like, guys, thank you. If you weren't subbed, I wouldn't have this many subs, I guess. But I just want to say thanks for everything, guys, and I am going to be making a 10,000 sub giveaway carving. I'll do a video of it. I'm not too sure what I'm going to get to it. Me and Pete got our the Blair second annual Xmas sale coming up here, so this Saturday. So I've been super busy carving the trees. You guys carve lots of trees, you know, so people like them. I'm telling you, I can't keep up with them. And another thing too, what was I going to say? I can't stand it. I'm going to make a brief video coming up here about my life and what got me into wood carving and stuff like that too. And but guys, thanks for all the support. You know, it's kind of like a mental healing for me too, making these videos, trying to help other people, you know. So if you guys have any suggestions what I should carve for the 10,000 sub giveaway, let me know in the comments below what you think I should carve. I'm thinking like it's kind of got to be a wood spirit because that's what my channel's based about, right? Here, look at this guy. This guy's on my wall. I kept him myself because I think he's pretty cool. He looks like a kind of gremlin kind of guy. I can get you a good angle of him. But yeah, I saved this guy for myself. But anyways, guys, let me know. And thanks for all the pictures. Keep them coming. I will be posting a Halloween Carvers video tomorrow too. Because tomorrow's Halloween, I think it is. But anyways, guys, thanks for all the pictures. Thanks for all the support. I hope I'm able to help people out there that have injuries or, you know, life problems. You know, like, find art, guys. You know, like, pick up a pencil, start sketching stuff out. If you suck, who cares? You're only going to get better the more you do with woodworking too. And that goes with me too. I only get better the more I do. And I had something else to say, but I forget, and it drives me nuts. Thanks everybody. Okay, so here's some video clips. And you guys send little video clips of your wood spirit talking to her, your carvings talking or whatever. That stuff crap cracks me up. It really does. And okay, I'll stop talking. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Halloween carving pictures. Okay, so yeah, what I was going to say is start sending your Christmas pictures and I'll start Christmas carving pictures and I'll start saving those for a Christmas video. But hope everybody's good. Rock on. Take care. Bye. Shut up, Bert. Dang it, I knew I forgot something I had to say. Don't forget to head over to Kyle Hall's YouTube channel page. He's having that giveaway for that bear. He carved that bear and I carved the wood spirits on it. So don't forget to head over his jeez, I'm just having a problem talking today. Don't forget to head over to his YouTube channel and subscribe to have a chance to win that carving. Okay, yeah, bye.
Good morning. I wanted to introduce you to my new tap handle, leaf head. Got a butt chin.
Hello, Jordy, look what you've done. You've created a tree menagerie.
Hey, Jordy, I'm giving this a shot, making an elephant here, and
I'm using real deer horns for the tusks on this guy. I don't know. It's my first shot at this. I guess he's okay. Come out pretty good. The sanding though, oh my god, the sanding. The little antlers for the tusks, cool. Yeah, that's the elephant.